Well, that certainly took some time, but Sony's unconventional looking headset concept is finally reality and available for purchase. The Sony Xperia Ear Duo, technically a true wireless solution, isn't your typical pair of earbuds or headphones. Not only do they feature an uncanny design, but their focus is on keeping users in tune with their surroundings, rather than shielding their ears from the outside world. At a price point of $280, it's undeniably pricey considering the cost of other truly wireless audio solutions. One look at the Sony Xperia Ear Duo, it becomes evident that design forges a totally different route than other headsets. When they're worn, they can easily be mistaken for hearing aids, especially how they wrap around the ear, but the design is purposeful. Still, we have to admit that they're not the most convenient to put on, just because there's a specific way of putting them on. Even after trying them out several times, there's no quick and easy way to fasten them. However, once they're properly on, we're surprised by how well they stay firmly in place. Yes, they're a pair of truly wireless earphones, but their purpose is different from the vast majority you're probably familiar with. For starters, the open ear design is meant to allow ambient noise to enter your ears, so you're aware of your surroundings while listening to some music. And we have to admit, they do exactly just that, allowing us to be aware of what's going on around us without being too heavily distracted by the music. It's kind of tough to describe, but it's like as though music's being played through a nearby speaker, but in reality, it's right in our ear. As for the quality, it's clear for the most part, but if you're expecting something that'll focus on the audio lower ranges for some serious beats, you'll want to look elsewhere. Instead, the Sony Xperia Ear Duo delivers a very neutral audio performance that's meant to be more complementary. Again, the premise here is to keep our focus on our surroundings. In addition, there's a smart assistance feature using the Sony Xperia Duo app, which announces useful tips, notifications, and other activities. Slapped with a sticker price of $280, it's certainly going to be an involved investment for most people. In fact, it's significantly more than other truly wireless solutions out there, but bear in mind that they have a specific purpose. Don't get them if you want to block out the world and focus on your music. Get them for the exact opposite reason. And that is it for our quick hands-on look here with the Sony Xperia Ear Duo. If you guys want to learn more about them, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.